Hi, I'm Dr. Nicole Vane of Moonlight Beach Dental, and I wanted to review with you some of the really cool things we can find out from some of these scans. So this particular patient was concerned about having some issues with her eye and her sinuses. And interestingly enough, when we looked at her scans, she was having some major infection in her sinuses. And although we look at, are these issues coming from some of the root canal teeth or some of these areas of previous extractions that look a little funny here on the x-ray, ironically, what was going on with her was these were two teeth that had slowly died over time that had caused a tremendous issue in her sinuses, but no tooth pain. And so when we looked at these views, you can see her sinus is completely full on this side, and from these side views also, this space here is where the sinus air should be. This is all mucus. But when we look, the infection actually blew through the sinus. So instead of having a nice little sinus membrane that's really, really thin and protecting everything from going up underneath your orbits, in her case, it actually was blown open like a valve, and then all of this plug of mucus and infection and cystic-like tissue has been ballooning up into her sinus, causing the issues in her eye. So in this case, we're actually going to fly in our surgeon, and we're going to work on this area together to create a new membrane for the sinus with platelet-rich fibrin, which is your own blood, clean all this out, and then use ozone, laser, etc. to make sure that this area starts to heal. We also have the ability, since I'm IV trained and so are our other doctors, to use IV antibiotics while they're being worked on, as well as other anti-inflammatories to really help accelerate healing. So if you are in need of more advanced holistic procedures, you're welcome to come in here and we can create a whole team for you and your care here at Moonlight Beach Dental.